How to transfer from Freetrade to Trading 212. Follow these steps. Trading 212 does not support direct stock transfers, so you'll need to sell your investments first. Open the Freetrade app and go to your portfolio. If you have stocks, sell them and wait for the funds to settle. Go to the withdraw option and send the money to your linked bank account. This can take up to 3 to 5 working days, depending on your bank. Open the Trading 212 app or website. Choose your preferred payment method. Deposit the amount you withdrew from Freetrade into your Trading 212 account. Depending on the payment method, this can take a few minutes to a couple of days. Once the funds are available, buy the stocks or ETFs you want in Trading 212. That's it. You've successfully moved from Freetrade to Trading 212. Thanks for watching.